Hi there, this is Shannon with Chic and Sassy Nails by Shannon. I finally got my ColorPlay box. This is Color Street's first subscription box. This was the month of December's box, and I just got it yesterday. No, I just got it today. I just got it in the mail today, and I haven't opened it yet. So this is going to be the grand unveiling. I want to give everybody just a minute in case you're watching this video by mistake and don't want a spoiler. Now is a good time to turn it off and come back later after you get your subscription box. If you did not subscribe to a subscription box for December, this is a peek at what the box looks like for the first time. So this is my unveiling of the beautiful ColorPlay box. It's super cute, you guys. It's like all bright colors. So I like it better than the little the test box they sent. So drum roll, please. Again, if you don't want to know what's in the box, if you're expecting your subscription box now, please turn away. Please stop the video and come back later, because this is the reveal. This is going to be a spoiler alert. All right, this is December's box. The theme was Roaring 20's. Let's take a look. All right. Gotta break that. It says your DIY Manny destination. All right, so we have the little instructions. So this is the ColorPlay. Kind of shows an example. So it shows all the examples, and you scan this, and you get some link to some instructional videos. Oh, this tells us each of the strip names. And this is a special offer from Casely. With the code Color Street, you can get $10 off a $30 item. All right, so that's a little sponsorship action going. We got a prep pad and a nail file. So if people are going to gift this would be a fun gift because everything is included here. All right, we got 4 partial and then 1 full set. We got a little nail clipper with file, it says. And then a fancy file covered with Tokyo lights. This is a pretty strong, pretty heavy grit here. So fancy file, fancy little clippers. Oh, it's like a little travel. You can just keep it all in one. All right, let me see. Oh, it's a clipper. It has a file at the end. So this would be fun to keep in your car for nail emergencies, which I think I'll do. If you ever break a nail when you're out and about, you could have a little clipper and a file to fix it. That would be nice. Normal people could probably put it in their purse. I have a tiny, tiny purse. I just carry around a little wristlet. So I can hardly fit anything in there. All right, so let's get down to it. I don't know the names, and I don't know if they say on here. So, Cocktail Hour Multi-Strip. How do I know which one that is? Let's see, what's this one called? This is Glitz and Glamour. This is a very pretty gold, rose gold glitter maybe? Look at that. Super pretty. All right, so there's that. I wonder if these will stay up here. Then we have, these ones are cut. Cocktail Hour Multi-Strip. Okay, so they're calling it a multi-strip when they pre-cut these. So look at, this is cut. There you can see it has 2 cuts in it. It has a cut, so it's creating a skinny line. It looks like about the width of nail tape. And then it'll create 2 like other chunks to kind of make straight lines with as well. So you can do little slanted tips. You could do a kind of a half and half color block. All sorts of things with this. So this is a very gold shimmer set called Cocktail Hour. Okay, that makes more sense now that it's called a multi-strip. That's what that means. All right, we have a little 12 pack, so 6 strips of Midnight in Manhattan. So that is our black solid set. This one's a cream finish. And then So that one's not exclusive. So these two, the first two, are stuff we've never seen before. The Midnight in Manhattan is an oldie but a goodie. And then this is the Midnight in Manhattan not multi-strip, what do they call it? Split strip. So if you can see, I'm going to try to hold it without the glare. There is a slice down the middle of these strips so that these make it super easy to create like a half and half look. If you'll see, and I'll show you in the examples again. So these are cut, pre-cut. So we got the gold that's pre-cut and the black Midnight in Manhattan that's pre-cut. So this one is called Cocktail Hour and then Glitz and Glamour. And then, all right, we have one full set that this is. Ooh, this is the overlay that is Roaring Good Time. So definitely has that Art Deco Roaring 20s vibe to it. This is called a Roaring Good Time, or Roaring Good Time. Looks like it has 3 of the full nails with that Art Deco design, and then the rest are that little slant. But again, this is a clear overlay. So let's look at a little bit closer. When you get the instructions, if you scan that, there are instructional videos step by step on how to make these 3 different looks. So the easiest look, they're saying, is this glitzy gal. And you can see here what that looks like. That's that one. So you can see if you can see the accent nail is that split half and half, and then the overlay covers up that glitter. It almost makes it look like a negative effect, which is kind of cool. And then the Fantastic Flapper is this next kind of color block look, where again they're using the little split half and half nail, and then you can see that overlay maybe a little bit better. It's easier to see on the videos, okay? And then, well, this one's maybe a true color block look. This is Golden Glam, is what they call this one. There, let's see if we can focus. So Golden Glam, Fantastic Flapper, and Glitzy Gal. So these are the suggested manis, and then if you scan this, this is their step-by-step instruction. Oh, then this describes each of the sets. So the transparent Roaring Good Time, Glitz and Glamour, let me see, the split Manhattan strip, and then the Cocktail Hour is the magnetic gold. All right, and then for those of you who like comparisons, because I did see a sneak peek video yesterday, I did pull a couple sets to show you to compare with these two. And actually the only set I have to compare with Cocktail Hour is Stay Golden, and I have my sets are in the packaging, but really this Cocktail Hour, is that what it's called? God, I have a short memory. Cocktail Hour is really a more yellow gold than that Stay Golden gold. So it has that same metallic finish to it, but you can see the difference here. And that's that split what do they call it? A multi-strip when it's pre-cut like that. And then I'm going to compare a few things to the Glitz and Glamour set. So the first thing I thought of was Coming Up Rose Gold, because it is they described it as a rose gold. It almost has a little more orange gold to it than the pink of the rose gold. So that's good. It's less pink than Coming Up Rose Gold, in my opinion. You can see that comparison. And then, sorry, wrong set. This is, what is this one? This is Chelsea Later. So I'm out. I don't have Morganite Delight. It's coming, but it's not here yet. So this is warmer, more orange to it, maybe more pink to it than the Chelsea Later. But very pretty. And then this is Mojave Gold. which is very similar. I think it's a less dense glitter strip. I think Mojave, you can kind of see that it looks a little more sparse, but it's a little lighter, but maybe that's just because it's less dense. Very similar to Mojave Gold, which is retired. So this is not a current set anymore. Chelsea is, I think Mojave is even more, not Mojave, but Morganite is more neutral. So there you go, a little bit of comparisons, a little bit of reveal, a little bit, I guess it's the whole reveal of what you get in the new kit. So really so you get 12 of each of these sets, and then a full 16 set of those with, I don't do math in my head, but not bad. So I think this design, I'm really excited. I love the colors. I think the pre-cut stuff is kind of fun. It saves time for people. You don't have to cut the strip with like a scissor or a straight edge. I have a really hard time cutting a straight line with a scissors, so I always use a ruler and an X-Acto knife when I want to do that. So this will kind of save a step. I like that. I would recommend using, especially if you use that little thin strip, making sure you put a top coat or clear as day over it, because it's like using nail tape, and I assume it won't stick a ton by itself that well without using something over it. So I'm excited to play with these. I can't wait to see what our VIPs come up with, as far as, I know they're not going to stick to just these examples, so I'm excited to see what people come up with. Let me know what you guys think. I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.